Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a EC2 instance. Log into your AWS console and search in search bar EC2 and you will get this EC2 service, and we can launch from here also. Let me launch from instances. Go to click on it, instances, and launch instances. Here instance name EC2 demo video, and here I am choosing Ubuntu AMI I am choosing, and I am going with T3 micro, which is free tier instance type. Choose this one, it is already default one is that one. Let me choose my existing key pair, which is my practice. Can create key pair if required. Just click on it, create new key pair, and give here key pair name, and just click on it, create key pair. It will download it to your local, and you have to provide executable permission to that key pair. So after that, network is everything is default. I am not choosing anything here, like not editing, and also storage is 8 GB, which is default. I am not choosing anything. Just launch here. Let me check. These are all my existing instances. Click on refresh. Yeah, our EC2 instance is running. The status check is still initializing. It will take 1 minute or 2 minutes. This is public IP address. So using this public IP address, we have to log in into that EC2, and this is private address. You can check here details of our EC2, which is public, which is private address, and instance type, and VPC ID, subnet ID, everything in this detail you can get. And also can check your security related things, which is security group. Meantime, let me check whether the PIM key have permission or not. Let me open the new terminal. Let me copy this. Sorry, Siri 2. So this is my PIM key for that instance. So already I give permissions for this PIM key, so no need to check anything here. Let me check the status of that instance. Still initializing. Yeah, we can log in now. So let me copy the public IP. The command for SSH into that EC2 is SSH-I and PEM key, which is my practice. Here, if you are in some other directory, means provide the full path of your directory. Otherwise, it won't run. Like you can't log in into that EC2. So please check that. And here I am using Ubuntu, right? So the username is Ubuntu only. And here my IP address. It's asking, just click Y. Yes, it is asking yes. Okay. Yeah, you can see here we logged into that AWS. We logged into that EC2 instance. That's it, guys. Okay, bye bye.